Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Christopher and we are going to start the work on Wolf's Web's official revamp. So let's get into it. Last time, as you know, we were finished with the wireframe. Now we're moving on to the coding part. So let's get into the editor. What I use. Okay, so we're back. Open the right program this time. Let's now we're going to open a new document, and there. Okay. So what basically that little thing has is got what I need for Bootstrap and JavaScript. So let's make a new HTML document, and we begin. Dude, seriously. Dude, seriously. HTML, thank you. Okay, now we take out all of this. We take that out. And we take this little baby out. And then we do an indent there. And an indent there. And what we want now, we want to do meta. Where are we? Ah, yes. Name description. Okay, and then it is content. The content we'll do later. That is the if you go into Google and you search for a baking shop, let's say, then it will come up and it will have a short description underneath the name. That is what that is. So then we have meta name. Then we have it's keywords. As I said on my stream earlier, the keywords, like Twitter, you get your @handles. Okay, so the keywords, if you've ever uploaded a video on YouTube, they're like tags. So what you want to do is you want to enter in what your business does, the keywords, certain keywords for your business, and then you continue like that for as many keywords as you can possibly fit in there. You fit in there, and you make sure it links to something on your page. Okay, now we have meta name. I think next one is author. Yes, author. It's not a B, it's an R, O, and R. And then you have content is me. Okay, and then it's done by Wolf's Web, so it's property of Wolf's Web. Is property of Wolf's Web. Okay, now if I go here, I need to link Bootstrap. So we come here and we get the Bootstrap. If it will give it to me, okay. Put Bootstrap in here. Then what we want to do is we're going to connect our own CSS. So we do another link. We go link, we go rel, style sheet, and then we want href, keep that like that. And then we have one more thing, and that is icon. I think it's the icon. Yes, it is. Yes, I just need to get the thing for it. Oh no, I'm missing another one. It is this. Let me just do this and this and do this. Device width, and then we have another one. It says link, and then we have the relationship is what? Shortcut. Sorry, I have done this, but well, the names and things like that, I haven't done the actual side. Shortcut. The T. That's what I'm missing. Shortcut. And then icon. What that is in the browser of your web, in the web browser at the top of your page that's open, you see a little icon at the top there. That is what that is. So then you have href, and you're going to have that and that. Okay, now we've got that. Now we need to link our style sheet to this, so we're going to have to make a CSS style sheet. Let's go here, let's go CSS. Okay, we're going to save. This one's going to be, we're going to say wolf web dot css, and we're going to put that into wolf's web. In wolf's web, we're going to put it in CSS, and we're going to save it. Okay, so now it should be saved. Cool. Now we go back to what the, never mind. We go back here, we go title, and we say wolf web, and we say save, and now we're going to save it as wolf's web as well. We go back, and we have to save it in this main folder. So wolf's web. Cool. Now, okay. What just happened there? href, bootstrap, admin, anonymous. What the hell? You know what I didn't do? Okay, sorry. I have to just delete this quick because I need to put in the body other keys. Okay, so I actually need to redo that one. So I think I can just go Control V. No, that's not it. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Okay. Now, what we want the jQuery first. What jQuery is, it's JavaScript library. So before you do any kind of JavaScript, you have to include jQuery. That's its library, its official library. I need to change that before the next video and before the next stream. Okay, we come here and we get this. Control C and Control V. So now we have that, that, and that. Cool. Now we got all of it. What we don't have now is this. Now I did do some testing around yesterday afternoon, so this is what I need. Okay, this here. I had a problem with my navigational bars that I've done previously, so I've had to redo it and Control C. Okay, Control V. And we've got new stuff. Okay, let's just take all of this to the end here. I will then just... Okay, we're back. I have now sorted out the code. I've taken out what I needed to take out. As you can see here, we've got 1, 2, 3 links, and I don't want this disabled. I want this enabled. So we take out that, do that. Okay. Now, this is not going to be called navbar. This is going to be called Wolf Web. Cool. So we have, if we look back at our wireframe, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7th maybe. So let's go back to our CSS. So we got not CSS, HTML. We got 7. So 6. 1, 2. We copy this. What this is this is an unordered list that's mainly used for navigational bars. Control V, no, Control V, Control Z, Control V, Control V. Mainly used for navigational bars. So that is 5 and 6. It's mainly used for navigational bars. It doesn't have dots next to it. That's what an ordered list is. So you get a UL and an OL, unordered list and an ordered list. So we normally use unordered lists for things we don't want to have either numbered or dotted by them. So we have first off we have home, which is home, yes. Links, which will be whatever links be. Links. Sorry. Links will be about me and for us /us. Let's just move my pencil thing over here, and it's about oh no. This is where I want it. About me /us. Okay, then we have what we offer, and then we've got our portfolio, and that should not be a big U, that should be a little u, and then we've got, what's the other one? We've got pricing and T's and C's, pricing, and where's that button? No, T's and C's. T's and C's, terms and conditions, and then we have, last but not least, contact us. Okay, so that's all going to be here on this one page. So we're going to do that, and do this. So I'm going to quickly do this. I do not want people to have to scroll and a jump to the next thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this little baby to right here, and then I'm gonna add I am going to also add this. And V, and that will set our width for any media device we may have that may the person may be looking on. So now if we go to there and we look, we should have, theoretically, if I've done this correctly, if we've got, oh sorry, loading up in the wrong place. Let's take this out of there. Say hello to there. Okay, right, let's now move my head down to the bottom. Cool. So now we've got our navigational bar, and they haven't been linked to all the things yet, so that won't be linked to anywhere. What we can do is we can link it. Yeah, we can link it. Okay, so if we go back to here, and we give this an ID of, okay, no, not like that. We give this an ID of home. We can set this. Where is it? Ah, here we go. We can set this as hash home. So, if, hopefully I've done it right, and I think I have. So then we go. So what do we have next? We have, let's go back here. Then we have the Jumbotron. So why don't we just do this? I've already done that, so let's go into gaming template. Let's open up our own HTML for gaming template, and we just simply copy and paste our Jumbotron from here, and we paste it into here. Okay, now we got that. And if I want to, I can just do this, so it gives it a bit of room. And then if I go to the bottom here, we can do the About Us section. So we're going to go down, down, and we're going to go ER, give it a few more spaces between. That should actually be at the bottom. And if we go to now, let's make a div. Its ID is about me slash us. But I can actually do this like this. Take that out. AMU. I cannot give any other thing that ID. So if I do this and I take this, I go Control C, and I put this in here, Control V. So there's that, and then with this there will be another div of a container. No, sorry. Class container, easy. Container. So we do that. What we have in this container is we have an h1 heading. Cool. So we've got a div for that. So that's the about us. So we're going to leave it like about us. I think we're going to take it out as about me, us. Then we're going to have another div, also class container, and then in this div we're going to have a paragraph. That paragraph we're just going to borrow the lorem ipsum over here from our friend lorem ipsum. Thank you. Control C, and we go back to our page and we do Control V, and our lorem ipsum is in. So now div, 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 div. Okay, cool. So now what we should have is if we should have the jumbotron, the about us, and the lorem ipsum on our page. And if we reload it, oh yes, there we go. It's also responsive. It is a responsive website. Okay, so there's that. Now we are going to, so that is that, and that is that. Okay, so now we've got the others that we have to quickly fill in. I'm going to do the IDs quickly, all the IDs, and then we are going to stop it there. The last video was a bit too long. I'd like to keep it around about 25 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes of video for you guys. So next one is our work. Oh wait, what am I doing? I could just look here. Okay, so the next one is what we offer. Oh yes, we changed our portfolio to our work. Cool. And what we offer about us. Let's take that out like that completely. And what we offer. So we're going to do another div down here. We're sectioning things off quite well. So div ID, what we offer. Okay. And then we also have, that's that, div ID, the next one, what we offer, and then goes our work, W, and we do that, div ID equals, and it is pricing and terms and conditions, so it's PT, T. Oh, and if the ID is caps, you gotta, it is caps sensitive. So the letter, whatever you, however the ID is put here, you have to put it in wherever you want to use it. Then it was contact div contact div id con con. Okay, and there we have all of our. Now we just need to connect them, and we'll have everything ready to go. All we need to do is then fill in all the information, which is going to take a while, because we are going to be changing it up, and I have officially heard we are changing my logo, so the logo will be changing completely, but we are going to keep the same colors. So I say we can start with the text colors and things like that, and the fonts. So we're going to have to figure out the fonts and the colors for which uh, for the background, and I don't actually know what I want for the background. Okay, so now we've got all of those, and it's all linked to each and every single one of these. The Jumbotron, I am going to be putting one of the bigger pictures we have, one of the bigger adverts we have, I should say. Yeah, I'm going to find that, and then we're going to put that as the Jumbotron. So we're going to have that, and then there will also be, we'll start filling in the About Us and the descriptions and things like that. Then we'll discuss the colors for the background and so on and so forth. But thank you guys for joining me for today. So we will see you in the next video. This has been Christopher. Have a good day.